Mark 10. Force and torque measurement. Engineered better.
Mark 10's MF100 USB sensor interface seamlessly connects force and torque sensors to a PC. The MF100 is a simple and effective solution that streamlines system configuration and workflow. It's uniquely customizable and adaptable to many environments. From commercial food production to aerospace engineering, system engineers rely on these sensors by having the ability to connect them to important data acquisition and control systems. Force and torque sensors are essential in weighing and load measurement applications. Connecting a sensor to a PC or laptop usually means involving complex workflow and cumbersome hardware. This can be especially challenging when in the field or working on site. No longer. Mark 10's MF100 USB sensor interface is a streamlined USB connection solution for a more simplified workflow. The MF100 accepts many common full-bridge, strain gauge-based sensors with resistance of 300 to 1000 ohms and sensitivity from 1 to 3 millivolts per volt. Easily connect your sensor to the MF100 interface without any special tools other than a simple screwdriver. Our MESURFlex software has a simple and straightforward user interface. You can select from a range of force and torque capacities with our MESURFlex software. Use MESURFlex to view real-time, peak compression, peak tension, and average load readings, as well as clockwise and counterclockwise torque readings. Or use our library of serial commands to communicate with the sensor from your own application. MF100 captures peak loads at a blazing fast rate of 7,000 Hz and collects continuous data at up to 500 Hz. And calibration is a breeze using the MESURFlex step-by-step wizard. The MF100 with MESURFlex by Mark 10, making your measurement and data collection tasks a little easier.
For more information, visit mark-10.com. Mark 10. Force and torque measurement. Engineered better.